Hey, William.
Hey, Henry.
Listen.
Oh.
I can't handle this anymore, Will.
Wait.
I think
What?
I can't help you anymore with your actions.
What?
I am so sorry, William. I feel worse every day. Helping you do these awful things is making me suffer, and I cannot continue like this.
No. You cannot leave like this. After all things that we have done, you are responsible as well.
Yes. And that's exactly why I'm refusing to continue doing these things. I have a daughter, Will. She's my family. I care about her. What if I get arrested? She will be alone. She can't be without me.
I told you that everything is under control, and you should not be worrying about it. We discussed this hundreds of times. So, only now have you started to think differently?
I am truly sorry, but I am done. I don't want to be involved with your crimes anymore. But in return for letting me go, I will tell no one what you and I have done. I will keep my mouth shut.
I still can't believe you are doing this. You remember that we also had to continue building those new robots, right? I need you for that work. You are a master of that type of engineering.
From this moment forward, it's up to you, William. I did almost all that you needed from me. I believe you can finish the rest of the work on your own.
You are a coward, you know that?
I am what I am, but I don't want to help you any further. I just want you... I need you to understand that.
There will be consequences from your decision.
I know that.
This will not be easy for you to leave. Soon, you will know what I mean.
Damn, this thing started recording? Oh yeah, hi! It's Karen here again. Here comes the second night. Well done, there were no physical breakdowns and everything was in its place. I still believe that by the end of the week, you will be able to finish your shift without any problem. Unless, of course, some vandal or thief breaks in, but that probably won't happen. Have any of the animatronic characters started to move? I wasn't able to watch the reported camera feed today, but since you didn't report anything, everything is probably alright. I wanted to ask you, how do you like your new uniform? The uniform was issued just recently to all employees. By the way, I had a hand in the design of this uniform, and I'm super proud of it. I always dreamed of working in a different field, but here I was happy to do something other than guarding during the day. Maybe someday I'll get out of here and become a fashion designer. Only in my dreams, I guess. Okay. Today I was given a sheet with some important information about our management and founders of the pizzeria. I was asked to read it to you, but the text is quite long and I don't have enough time to read everything, so I'll try to paraphrase. While I read, don't forget to check the cameras, as it's really important that you keep your eyes open the whole time. Okay, let's see. The founders of Fredbear's Family Diner are two people. Henry Emily, Chief Engineer in Robotics, designer and creator of all main animatronics, and William Afton, who also works in the robotics field and is mostly responsible for the financial statements of the establishment. The two men met at the university and planned to open some kind of small diner. But after many years, they finally succeeded, and in 1979, when a small company named Fazbear Entertainment was founded, the first establishment called Fredbear's Family Diner was built. The main feature of the pizzeria are two robotic characters, a robot bear named Fredbear and a robot rabbit named Spring Bonnie. Both of them became local stars, and soon the place became very popular. Fazbear Entertainment has received a large budget and has already managed to build another nearby pizzeria with a new updated cast of characters, and already has more plans for the future. Recently, our establishment has begun to lose popularity because of other new establishments in our town. As I understand it, our engineers are developing new versions of the characters to try to bring popularity back to the diner. I heard that they may start using the new animatronics this week, as it turns out the old ones may be impossible to fix. Or they don't want to? I don't know, it's something that Mr. Afton doesn't want to allow. Seems like the new ones are much better and they use kinda different technology. I'll let you know as soon as there is any news on this matter. So, all I need from you is that you stay alert. Until the new robots are delivered, the old ones will continue to bother you, but don't worry. I'm sure you can do it. I personally think this job is going to be easy as long as you remain in your seat. Check the cameras and make the least noise possible. Remember, if you notice that animatronics have made it to your doors, close them as soon as possible. Okay, I must go. I'll check in tomorrow to make sure everything's alright, and I'll leave you the next audio tape. Good luck, and have a good night.